Okay, it's time to talk weather, everybody, and the sun is obviously down at this point. These days are shortening up, but as I've said before, it's kind of like the Benjamin Button theory. The days are getting shorter, but the temperatures are getting greater. They're getting warmer. They're not supposed to, but yeah, well, not so much today. Yes, it was a little bit cooler today versus yesterday, but we're going right back into this pattern where we can get to near, if not hitting 70 as soon as tomorrow. And according to our Fox 17 forecast here that Ty Shesky and myself put together earlier, if in fact it does come to fruition, we could hit 5 straight days of 70 plus starting tomorrow afternoon. Across the nation, looking pretty similar to what I've showed you the last couple days. No Arctic air around, in fact, well above normal air. The average high for this time of year, 53. We're sitting at 57 now in Grand Rapids. So the temperatures, when the sun goes down, they do start to fall off a bit. We hit a high of 64 this past afternoon. Winds on the lighter side this evening versus what we've seen the last couple of evenings. Our temperature a little bit high there at 7 o'clock, but more like the mid 50s, I think, about 56 degrees. And they won't fall off dramatically as we go forth through this evening. Maybe around 50 to the lower 50s at 11 o'clock, and we'll officially bottom out at 46 by daybreak tomorrow. So the nice weather pattern does continue on Friday. We'll start to pick up some steam with these temps and get back into all sunshine. Today we had that period of clouds that kind of obscured some sunshine for a stretch. Tomorrow, no way, no how. I'm seeing all sunshine. Same deal for Saturday as well. Record-breaking weekend highs are anticipated. The records are basically right around 70 degrees, and I think we can get into the lower 70s. Here it is, 72 Saturday, 73 Sunday. You'd never know we were in November if I showed you this map and you didn't know what time of year it was until we get towards next Wednesday and Thursday. That's when things start to cool down once again. So the map as we go into week 2 of the forecast, you might be thinking, well, we're going to get back into some early winter type weather. Things can't last this long. Well, they can't last this long in the 70s, but even once we get beyond next week, there's nothing real frigid coming down. So I think at worst, we're probably around normal. And at times we may start to spike again as we get into the middle to latter parts of November. So stay tuned on that. Nothing happening with regards to any clouds or rainfall at this point. The patch of clouds that did dim that sunshine for a stretch today, that moving over towards the east coast. A general area of high pressure is overhead. There is a boundary to our north, but it's not going to get any closer. In fact, it lifts back northward as a warm front, and some southwest winds will be in charge on the day Friday. I mean, we are talking about probably the best Friday, Saturday, Sunday weather that we will have around here in West Michigan until maybe April or May of next year. So enjoy it this weekend. No clouds out there tomorrow. May there be a couple high cirrus patches? I guess so. That would be it. It is all bright and all day long. Same deal Saturday. Sunday and Monday, a few more clouds around, but a brisk southerly flow. I mean, 74 could be conservative. Derek and Ryan could be mid-70s on Monday, and next chance of rain later, I think, on Tuesday.
Crank the air conditioning, I guess.
Yeah.
We'll take